Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode right here. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter system and updates. Then let's tap on developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Just tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the automatic updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course if the system update is available. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.